Hi everyone, we're Eggol. Our vision is to revolutionize the kitchen experience with technology. Hotel industry has been facing issues of high labor costs and labor shortage. For example, established hotels usually have 1 or 2 chefs to operate an egg station at their breakfast buffet. Assume a chef's monthly salary is $2,500, and he spends 4 hours every day at the egg station out of 8 hours he works in the hotel. That means hotel needs to spend $15,000 every year to operate this egg station, $30,000 if they have 2 egg chefs. What if cooking can be automated? We started with cooking eggs because egg is a simple yet important ingredient, and egg station is a must-have at hotel's breakfast buffet. I'm proud to introduce to you our product, Eggol. Eggol is a fully automated, multi-recipe egg cooking machine. Just imagine an automatic coffee machine. You get your favorite coffee at the press of a button. Now you can do the same thing with your favorite egg dish. In addition, Eggol can be controlled from a mobile device with IoT technology. Today we have brought our prototype here. This machine can do 3 egg recipes now: fried egg, scrambled egg, and omelette. We'll demo fried egg today. Eggol can replace chef to operate the egg station at hotel's breakfast buffet. Therefore, it reduces labor costs for the hotels. Hotel can choose to place multiple Eggol at their breakfast buffet to reduce customers' waiting time. Precise sensors are used in Eggol to ensure a consistent quality of the egg dishes. The machine is also compact in size compared to a chef's operating counter. Let's look at the market size. Hotels are all around the world, and it's a huge market. The picture shows the number of established hotels in each region. In total, there are 85,000 established hotels globally, and it costs $15,000 every year to operate an egg station. That leads to an SOM of $1.3 billion. Our launch market will be in the Southeast Asia region. More specifically, since we've obtained a letter of intent from 2 multinational hotel chains, our launch customer will be hotels under these 2 brands in Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. There are 71 hotels in total. That results in a $1.2 million sales. There are usually thousands of hotels under the same name group. These hotels are operated under same management, and procurement is centralized. We will leverage this network effect to meet our sales target. In addition, we'll explore other sales opportunities, such as service apartment, co-working space, and hotels that don't have an egg chef right now, but would like to provide this personalized service to their customers. Eggol is a unique product and doesn't have a direct competitor. Most of the existing egg cookers are low price and low functionality. Since they cook only boiled eggs, then they are relatively cheap. On the other hand, chefs and robotic arms have high functionality, but they are expensive. Finally, we have Eggol with high functionality and medium price. Because Eggol cooks multiple egg recipes and is much more affordable than chefs and robotic arms. There are several milestones in our product development roadmap. This year, we'll have our MVP ready. Next year, in 2021, we'll go through several rounds of prototyping and adjusting of the design. In 2022, we'll have our finalized product ready to sell. Final product will have more features, like self-cleaning and remote control. Moving forward, we'll upgrade product features and expand to market in other parts of the world. Why are we the best team for the job? Here are our team members. Tianyu has a background in mechanical engineering, and she will be the product lead. Jiaqi has a PhD in electrical engineering. He will be the tech lead. They will ensure that Eggol has the best engineering design. I studied business analytics and will be the marketing lead in the company. In addition to our team, we have Barnabas as our commercial champion. He has over 20 years of experience running business units across APAC. And George helps us in partnership with hotels. Thank you for your attention, and join us on this revolutionary new kitchen experience.